I hope everyone can see my screen.
Yes.
Hi. Okay. Good evening and welcome everyone to the June 2025 Avni Community Meetup. As usual, we'll be going through the product and the ecosystem updates. We will not have an NGO spotlight this month either. Quickly with the product updates. So this was last month. There were there were quite a few items that were in progress and were about to be released at that point in time. Improving the ease of self-service. There were a bunch of things. There was one technical stuff that had to be done and something around existing projects to be more effective, right? This month, if you see, a lot of these have actually gotten done. We gave a demo of all of these features, the self-service reports, the metadata zip, and the transactional data in the last month. All of these have gone live and they are available for you to be using. We started something around a documentation chatbot, which essentially is to be able to take documentation, use documentation, but not in the way it is written right now as in avni.readme.io. But it is to be integrated into the app so that if you're on a screen and if you have a question, you can ask the chatbot and it will respond. So that's something that is being worked on right now. A basic version is ready. We are right now working on trying to make it more accurate and more relevant to the context in which things are being asked. So most probably we'll be spending more and more time trying to fine tune it over the next few weeks. You should be able to see something in a month or two for the documentation to be really usable. We're also trying to revamp the existing web user interface, which includes everything that you do to create a new application. So that is something that we've been thinking of starting for quite a long time. Right now, we have a UX person on board, and she would be helping us move from what is there right now to what we want to get to. This is approximately I'm guessing about a 4-month exercise for you to actually see what's going on. But the work is expected to start this month, so which is why it's on there. It's also one of the highest priority items for us for this year. Let me quickly show what this looks like. So the metadata zip diff. So whenever somebody moves something from a testing area to a production area, what happens is a lot of times you don't really know what is going on and what are you really adding and what are you really removing, right? So this feature kind of gives us more confidence as to what is being deployed and like whether it's the right thing that needs to go in. So whenever you upload a new metadata zip, there will be a review button. This review button is started newly. And if you click on that review button, it will show you different pieces of changes. So in this scenario, it's saying that there are 3 files that have changed. Form mappings, there's a registration modification, and there is one subject type that is missing. And missing means that it will be added newly. And you'll see here that you can click on that details and it will show you the details of what this is. In this case, I mean, you'll probably not be able to understand what a UUID is or anything, but you definitely be able to understand what the name is. And it says that something called person new is being added to the system. So it's slightly technical when you look at it, but there are pieces which you can look at it and figure out what's going on. So this went live somewhere end of last month. The other piece is the chatbot that I was talking to you about. So when you open the Avni web page, you would see like a small chat icon on the bottom. You click on it, you see something like this. It will be called an Avni bot, and you can ask questions. Say you're on the catchment screen and you ask, what is this catchments? What are catchments really? It gives you an explanation. It takes you to a link where you can read more. Hoping that this is something that can help people navigate the screens whenever they are stuck in the system. So that's about the Avni bot. Any questions around the product? All right. Is Joy here on the call?
Many people are trying to get in, like Taki and Chala, they are not able to log in. I guess because of the wrong link.
Okay. Can you send a message on?
Yes, yes, yes. Can you send him? Let's see whether they're able to take it up.
Okay. All right. So Joy had a demonstration to do a live demo that he could have shown. Unfortunately, he's been telling that he had some network issues, so he could not join, or else we could have actually done this as a live demo here. But yes, let's see if he joins later. In that case, we can see the app in action as well. Moving on to the ecosystem updates. First off, today is International Day of Play, and this is the time we remember all the NGOs. Maitrayana comes to mind. Maitrayana has been working towards providing empowerment through sport, and we'd want to celebrate the International Day of Play along with Maitrayana and this day. Moving on. So Purna Clinic has just joined the Avni family. They joined last month, and hopefully we'll be going live sometime this month. It's a small. Is anybody from Purna Clinic here? All right. Anyways, so this is mostly about the program is mostly about healthy aging, and the idea is to keep following up in cases where there are for non-communicable diseases, and that is the program that is going live. It's a relatively very small program, which essentially means that the go live would be much faster. But in terms of impact, obviously quite interesting. Poshan Ki Disha has been having multiple phases of rollout. With last month, all their phases have actually gone live, and they are on the field working right now. Um, so in fact, last month we also had Hina Desai join Arjun Khandelwal in running a meeting with the India Partner Network. It was on data intelligence, turning numbers into non-profit impact, essentially trying to educate other non-profits on what practical steps NGOs can take to digitize their field data collection and use it meaningfully for decision making and their program enrollment. So Hina Desai came in and displayed how they actually started the digitization process, right from talking about the requirements through to productionization of the whole thing. It was very interesting. Around 80 people had attended the meeting. And we've been getting some good uh, um, feedback as well that it was useful. We had a visit to Institute of Public Health. Uh, I don't see Pooja on the photos, but Pooja here, is Pooja here?
Yeah, hi Vinay, I'm here. Yes, I
So
joined.
very grateful to you for actually organizing the whole visit. And thank you for letting all of us actually understand what's there on the field. Do you want to say something?
I think I should have done more. It was our pleasure also to host your team, Avni team, to the Kolegal. So it was a health camp we organized for our patients, and so we there was a lot of activities going on, and in that all chaos and busyness, I think they might not be able to see app working, like real time working, but I hope their community exposure would have been great. Yes.
Yes. In fact, actually, a lot of people found it very useful. There's a blog that Siddharth has written. Siddharth, I think, is off today.
Okay.
But for all of them, like going and seeing things being actually used on the field was very useful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, please share the link of the blog. I missed it.
It's right here on the link. This
Oh, yeah.
presentation I've already shared on the community channel, so you should be able
Oh,
to
okay.
access it. Or if you go to the website, it's right there. It's like the
Okay.
same
I
log on
just give me a moment. Yeah, opened. Yes. Thank you.
the. Okay, sure.
And thank you.
Just like we going and visiting and learning from the field, there's also groups of people from the Asim Premji University who actually came to the Avni office, and they were trying to figure out what kind of careers can they actually take in the social sector. Quite a few interesting questions In fact, a lot of them were really bright in terms of asking the right questions and things like that. In fact, inspired us a lot that there is like a lot of people who are coming and like planning to join at this stage of their career. That kind of rounds up the community updates. The last piece, is there anyone who, any other point of discussion that anybody wants to bring in? All right. Okay, so this time was a very, very short one. We'll probably wind up right now. Thanks everyone for attending, and on for next month. Thank you.
Bye, Vinay. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.